guys, welcome back to another Stitch Fix unboxing video. This is my box. It's a little bit small again, but we've been liking those small boxes recently. And if there are any new viewers here, I upload every Monday and Friday. I do fashion and lifestyle content, so if you enjoy stuff like that and you would like to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be reminded every single time I upload. I have lots of codes and links in my description box, so feel free to check those out. I also do have a lot of information on Stitch Fix in my description box as well. If you are interested in just getting a little bit more of an insight to what it is. I just recently did a trunk club unboxing, so don't forget to check that video out too. I will leave that linked above for you. And if you're wondering, I have still kept with my same stylist that I have from the beginning. I think that has really helped my stylist figure out where my style is and what type of clothing I like. So I think that really has been very helpful in the boxes that I've been getting recently. It looks like we have all clothes again this round, which I am totally fine with. So this is our return label. Once again, just all of our pricing information and styling cards in this envelope, but I like to keep the surprise element in these videos, so I always leave that towards the end. Uh-oh, these look like patterns I might like. This is the cropped knot front knit top in off-white size medium from the brand Lush. Oh, that is so cute. You have a little knot in the front like it said in the name. This shirt looks like it's gonna be perfect for high-waisted shorts and high-waisted jeans. I feel like this is a nice basic t-shirt to have for the summer, so I'm glad she stuck that in there. Now, this is cute. BB Dakota, size medium. The Fabiara cropped button knit. Fabiara cropped button the cropped button front knit top in pink, size medium. It's like one type of material on the inside. It's a lot more soft, but on the outside, it's more of a rough threading. I really like that. I kind of want to do like 5 different outfits for each top, but we would be here all day if I did that, so I won't do that to you. And then we have, oh my goodness, I love this color. It's a yellow mini skirt. This is the size large. It is from the brand Aware by MODA. There's a lot of nice elastic and stretch in the waist. It just feels like really good heavy material, and I like how there's a little pleat on the bottom of it. It kind of reminds me of my Madewell skirt that I bought from them, but this one is definitely a little bit of a different material. It has like that overlay on top, and there is a real, wow, this is really soft. It looks like a little lemon skirt. I love it. This looks like it's going to be a jumpsuit. Yes, we have a jumpsuit. Now this one has a collar, and then it is sleeveless. This is from the brand Wisp, the Phoenix knit jumpsuit in black size 10. Now I don't know if I necessarily like that it has a collar on it, but I really won't know until I try it on. But this material is perfect for the summer. I could definitely see myself falling in love with this. It would look really cute with a straw hat again. I cannot wear a straw hat with every single outfit. Who am I kidding? Yes, I can. I don't know if I'm going to fit into this. This is Free People, and this is the modern denim mini skirt in size 10. Free People tends to be a little bit small for me sometimes, at least they're size 10, so I'm not sure if this is gonna fit me right, but we'll see. We're not gonna know until I try it on. I love the denim mini skirts. I think I would like it if it was a light wash with like distressed rips at the bottom of the skirt. I really like that look, but this one is definitely more simple, and I think it's a really cute design. There is stretch in the fabric, so hopefully I won't have too much of a problem getting into this. try everything on and I will meet you out in my living room. I love this color. It fits me perfectly. I love the length of it. Usually skirts tend to be a little bit short on me, but this one I feel like falls at the perfect length. And I actually really like how it looks with this top. I think it's a perfect outfit combination. It still has a very girly statement, but it's still very comfortable. It is just really hard for me to find pieces like this that sit on me right, that look very flattering, and this one is both comfortable, flattering, and even stylish at the same time. So I'm very impressed with this, and I could definitely see myself wearing this around because sometimes I get afraid with skirts that they're gonna fly up, but with this one I feel like I wouldn't have that problem. Definitely tempted with this skirt. Let's hope it is not expensive. I am so glad that this material is stretchy, otherwise I would have had a horrible time trying to get into this. I think that this outfit accentuates my curves in a very tasteful way. I don't think that it's too much, and I thought it would look really cute with these shoes, just having a pop of red. Since we have a little bit of red in this top, I thought it was such a cute vibe. There is so much stretch in this skirt, and it just kind of falls into where your figure is, and it is nice and snug around my waist, so I don't have to worry about having to fix it all the time. I feel like this is something that you would get from Anthropologie. It just feels really nice, and I absolutely love this outfit. This is what the back looks like, and I still feel like it does go very high up here, but it's not going to go up any higher. It's very secure. I love how high-waisted you can get it, and it really falls into line with this crop top. This fit and this style is extremely flattering. Like, this would look good on anybody, and there's so much stretch in these. There's pockets, and you still get a little bit of that boho vibe that I like. It's not unflattering in any way, and I really like it. Jumpsuits tend to be very expensive though, so I'm not sure how expensive this is going to be. I have the other jumpsuit from Stitch Fix that I wear a lot at home, and it's more strappy and the neckline is more plunging, but you have this little string that wraps around the jumpsuit, and then the buttons are up to here, and you do have one more button if you want it a little bit more skin coverage, but I like to open it up a little bit because I like a little bit of skin showing. It's really funny because this outfit feels very grown up, much like a classy woman, where the outfit that I just had on before made me feel like very free, young person, you know, that type of thing. So I love how I'm getting a mixture of both. I actually do really like this knot in the front. Sometimes they throw me off, but this time I like where it fits. It kind of gathers in the back part of the material, so it follows the curve of my back. And these shorts I actually got from a little boutique in Pennsylvania, I think. These are blank NYC. I just liked the stripe down the sides of these, but you could do a lot with this shirt. Like, I could pair it with a high-waisted skirt. I could even try it with that yellow skirt on, which I actually might do that just because I think stripes and florals for some reason I'm really into, and I like where the sleeves hit. Just a very simple, classic summer tee. I just really quick wanted to see what this would look like with this skirt, and I actually really like it. I think it's really cute. Throw on a pair of tennis shoes and a straw hat, and we are good to go. I'm gonna look at the prices now, and then I love reading the note from my stylist. So the modern knit denim miniskirt from Free People is $50, which that is not bad. I did end up liking how it looked on me. I don't know, I think I'd like to hold out for one that is light wash with rips at the bottom of it. Not like rips, but like frayed material, do you know what I mean? But I really do like this, and if you are looking for a jeans skirt, I think this is a really great option. $50 is pretty reasonable for Free People. Sometimes their stuff can be so expensive. Love Free People clothing, but I think for now I am going to send this back. Next we have the Maggie London Phoenix knit jumpsuit in black, size 10. This is $74. That is pretty reasonable for Stitch Fix. I feel like these prices are very reasonable actually so far. We've only gotten 2 prices. I do have a lot of jumpsuits though. I think I want to hold off on this because I'm really liking the plunging necklines and strappy shoulders. I think this one is very slimming though. $74 for this jumpsuit from Stitch Fix is very reasonable. I really like it. I think it's perfect for the summer. I highly recommend it if you are looking for a jumpsuit. Good quality. I really like everything about it. I'm just not feeling like I need to get it right now because I do have something very similar. Next we have the Lush Tamara cropped knot front knit top in off-white size medium. This is $34. So I think that is very reasonable. I knew Lush was more of an affordable brand. The quality of this t-shirt is actually very good, and it reminds me of my favorite white t-shirt from Madewell. The material from that shirt is just a little bit thicker, but this one is almost there. Like, it's almost that same thick material. Even mid-rise would look really good with this, so definitely love this. I love how light it is and how perfect it is for the summer. The Fabiora cropped button front shirt in size medium from BB Dakota. This is $58. We knew I was going to go for the more expensive one. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I'm really trying to be good this round, but I really do like this. If I do keep anything, I think it is going to be this top. Just because I love the neckline. I love that I could wear bralettes with this, and it's so light and perfect for the summer, and it would go with all of, like, even the cream pants that I'm wearing right now. I will let you know if I do decide to keep this, but if I am going to keep something, I think it's definitely going to be this top. This is the Vera MODA ruffle mini skirt in yellow size large. This is $48. Wow, okay, now that's reasonable. Great, now I'm wanting this too. I don't know, I'll let you guys know in the comments as always what I decide to keep, but the Stylist Picks subtotal was $264. The buy all discount would subtract 25%, so that would be taking off $66. So the order subtotal would be $198. I'm pretty sure that this is the most reasonable pricing I've ever gotten with Stitch Fix, and that's really nice. I really like how the prices came down in this one, and I still got really great quality. Really enjoyed that one. So I'm gonna read the note from my stylist really quick, and then that will be everything. I'm so glad that you enjoyed your last fix, and I'm excited to be styling for you again. I hope you are doing well this summer and are excited about all the fun activities. I wasn't able to find a floral two-piece set this time, but I made a note to keep an eye out for one. I started today with this Free People denim skirt that can be styled with this breezy BB Dakota knit top. I also included this flattering Maggie London floral jumpsuit that is perfect for any events that you have planned this summer. That is the best word to describe this jumpsuit, is flattering. Unfortunately, we do not carry hats at this time. Hopefully it is something that we will have in the future. I really hope so. Please, Stitch Fix, please bring hats in. So that would be awesome if Stitch Fix would include hats. Like, I would completely love it. Like GIGI Pip hats, Brixton, we would love that. I really, really like everything that Rachel chose for me. I feel like she did such a great job once again. She really is getting my style down, and I have to say that everything in this box I really, really liked. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. I had so much fun styling everything for you guys today, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.